Tumeoana.
Ni tamu ndio, ni tamu. Ni tamu kabisa.
Utakuja kwa harusi. Kwanza hebu niambie, wajua wewe sikiza, hata tukuonyeshe. You are going to be an uncle, lakini sasa wewe hata ufai kabisa kwa mjomba wewe. Angalia.
What is this? What? Allah. Please, I'm waiting my Faraj 1 year ago only. You have now my Faraj. Please, Faraj, give me my another sister. Please, please, secret. Please, Faraj, please.
The baby is too smart to give.
Okay, listen, bro. Wewe sikiza, wewe tubu hapa, sikiza. Yeah, okay. If it's a baby girl, then we are going to give it to you. Then, are you happy?
Baby girl, surely.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Maybe tunatakiwa my Faraj, my wedding, my I love you, my so much, my Faraj. I have every day one time. You have now my nice, my Faraj. Okay. I'm want you my another Faraj.
Oh, that 1 month pregnant. Congratulations.
He's 1 month pregnant. Huh?
Yeah, he's 1 month pregnant.
Did you give me white girl?
White girl, you will.
Yes.
Will you sell it on the market?
Okay, what will you do? Tell us, what will you do?
What you doing? My walirafu, my radalu. My walirafu, my radalu. Allah jole sena lagi tomaka. 4 flowers.
Bro,
my sleeping, my Faraj. My coming, my children, my chocolate. Yes. You.
Where do you come from, bro?
My chocolate.
Where about chacha bagi? Uko wapi?
Siniko Kanairo, tunakaia tu hapo Kanairo kila siku. Double maarifa.
Uko tu hapa Kanairo alafu unajifanya kambe huelewi.
Sijasoma, I am not learning school. I am learning 3 school only in Ethiopia, Katankara. My family no double anything, my coming, my double.
Do you know Binyam Shibre? Do you know Binyam Shibre? Binyam Shibre.
Binyam Shibre then he's died. He's died 1999. I don't know. I am coming in worldly. I am coming this worldly 2001. I am 21 years old. I am underage. Yes. Every day one time.
Bro, alikuroga alikufa.
Tayo.
Alikuroga alikufa.
Hiyo alienda kitambo. Hayuko. Hiyo hajawahi wanada. Aliaga dunia.
Sure.
Tumewacha sisi tuliaga. Mwenye alikoroga mimi walienda.
Girl.
Girl, we need to win this. Let's beat him then this match, eh?
We need miracles because this distance is too big, eh?
And where Abba, why do you come when our people are not around?
They are not around.
Next time we need to plan. You come when we are ready so that we can beat and finish you. Kata you.
Kata, nice.
Mwambie Baba.
Oh.
Okay, punishment, my coming. Punishment, if you punishment now. You coming punishment. Sit down. Thank you, my boss, my king.
It's punishment.
Please, I want you 1 minute. I kiss you, my this wife, my parents. Please. 1 only. Thank you, Tunde.
Abba wewe ni chizi. Wajua hivyo?
Mara moja tu tunashikwa mara moja.
I know Abba, it's tough to beat, but we can crush him.
Punishment is over 1,000.
Yeah, punishment is over 1,000, okay? We agree, Abba. We agree. Punishment is over 1,000. Sawa.
Fire. It's true.
Sawa.
Fire is true. Will you help us punish this man? We're not anything, eh?
You punishment now. You kiss my wife 10 times. Kiss with the mouth. Go. Kiss.
But listen.
Thank you,
but are we agreeing like punishment is over 1,000?
Are we agreeing? Yeah.
We are
Okay, over 1,000.
Okay, that's
Okay.
like a fair.
My
Guys.
wife every day put up skin. This girl is kissing my wife 10 times every day. I come every day people.
Okay, so agreement over. He said my wife. Who ni cartoon huyu? Liangalie.
1,000 no big. 1,000 no too much big. Yes, 500 my tapping, my coming. Every my family. Kiss me.
Guys, this girl is hard to this girl. I don't know, I'm confused. Kate, we need to win, Kate. Kate, welcome, Kate. We have a crazy person here called Abbaan. Abbaan amekuja hapa anatusumbua. And we agreed. 1,000 anafikisha huko. I know you Abbaan. I know Abbaan. It's hard to beat this man, but please guys, we can beat him.
It's speed challenge. Let's do this, eh?
Guys, let's do this. We can beat him. We can beat him. I know he's very hard to beat.
Thank you, Bungal.
Guys, where Abbaan?